Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Life360 app. If you need to sign out of your Life360 account, this process is quick and straightforward. Logging out can be useful if you're switching accounts, using a shared device, or simply want to disconnect your account from the app for the moment. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Once the app is fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main screen. This helps you start from the right place and makes the next steps easier to find. Next, look toward the top left area of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where Life360 keeps many of the account and app options you may need to manage. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. App layouts can sometimes vary a little depending on your device or app version, but the Settings option is typically easy to spot near the top of the screen. After opening Settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the Logout option. It may be closer to the lower part of the page, so continue scrolling carefully until it becomes visible. Taking your time here can help you avoid accidentally tapping another setting. Once you see Logout, tap on it. This will sign you out of the Life360 app. In some cases, the app may ask you to confirm your choice before completing the logout. If that happens, simply continue with the logout confirmation shown on your screen. After logging out, you'll usually be taken back to the sign-in screen or welcome screen. That's a good sign that the process has been completed successfully. If you were planning to log in with a different account, you can do that from there. If not, you can simply close the app. As a quick tip, logging out of the app is different from deleting your account or leaving a circle. Signing out only removes your active session from that device, so your account information will still remain available when you log back in later. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to log out of the Life360 app. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.